Hey folks, let's do today's CSS Battle.dev daily target. All right, we've got some very definitive shapes going on here. What have we got? Today I'm kind of feeling like this is 3 paragraph tags. Maybe. Let's see about that. So what does that look like? I'm going to remove the margins from the body, set this color on the background, and I'm going to set a border of, well, what is that? What's the measurement? We go from about 110 to about 150. So 40 pixels solid, and then that color. And then the background of this guy is this color. And I'm gonna not do the background of the body first. So what do I need to do to create these shapes? I think we do the circle first. So border radius is 50%, let's say. And I'm going to set a height of 200, 300, something along those lines. It's too wide. I'm going to need to put margins on this. Margins are going to be a variable var --m or 40, 30, let's say, semicolon. That's kind of what I'm getting at. So this will be the first one that I make. Now I can fake it by doing an aspect ratio here. Aspect ratio 1 will get me a perfect circle, and that will help me see what I need to do. 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, and less 2, 22, 22. All right, and now I'm going to set a height. Height is going to be a variable. $250, 240, 50, 60. There it is. So that's the first one. And then what's the next one? So B, then B, and then C. So the second one is going to be B. That's the selector that I'm using, the B attribute. Is going to be a margin that's going to be, well, I need to make sure that the border radius, so var dash m, or dash r, for border radius. So the r is 0, and the margin is minus 150, minus 200, there it is, 3, 4, 410, 10. All right. 4, 10, 20, 30. And that's unfortunately moving everything up. Oh, so here's where it gets interesting. Okay, I'm gonna undo that. So I'm setting a margin, and I'm setting a bottom margin of 0, so that the one doesn't interfere with the other. Minus 100, 200, 300. Oh, nope, that's not what I wanted on. I'm doing a border radius, and I don't want that. I want the margin to be minus 200, 0, 0. There we go. And this is going to help me control what I want. And then the height, I'm going to set 100 to be that value, and see if we can do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is this the best way to do this? Nah. Is it the fun way to do it today? Yeah. 4, 5, 65, 70. And then some side margins, 100, 102. There it is. Then what do I need? Then what do I need? Then what do I need? I need a height that's a little taller. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's thing number 2. Or the B, and then C is what? That margin is, well, I need the radius of 0, and then a margin of minus 100. Minus 40. Oh, minus 30. 35. 36, 37, 38. Is it 40? Minus 40 and 0. Or minus 40, minus 40, minus 50. There we go. That's it. Now I'm going to set the background to be this color and submit. So this is a novel solution, no gradients, all borders. A fun way to do it, and a reminder that each successive paragraph element gets a different look. Now, you could tune this and say, well, what else do they have in common, and how much of this could each successive one share? Can I tune this even more? And yeah, but that's a fun way to do it. It's been a long, good day, positive day. And there's the final for this particular weird solution that I did today. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, go make a web page, and hey, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.